A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal move, the Trump administration has filed a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, targeting its sanctuary city policies that limit cooperation with federal immigration authorities. The lawsuit, lodged in the Central District of California, accuses the city of obstructing the enforcement of immigration laws and discriminating against federal law enforcement officials. The complaint highlights that the city's sanctuary ordinance prevents local police from sharing information about individuals without legal status, which the administration asserts is detrimental to national security and public safety. Attorney General Pam Bondi emphasized in a statement that these sanctuary policies have been linked to increased violence and chaos in Los Angeles, claiming they undermine law enforcement efforts at all levels. The lawsuit marks a continuation of the administration's broader strategy to challenge sanctuary jurisdictions across the country, including notable cities like New York and New Jersey. The legal action follows a series of protests in Los Angeles against the administration's aggressive deportation tactics, which have seen immigration agents conducting widespread arrests in the region. The protests have drawn significant public attention, with tens of thousands participating in rallies decrying the raids and the deployment of military resources to assist in immigration enforcement. Critics of the Trump administration's approach argue that the portrayal of Los Angeles as a violent city is misleading, and that the real chaos is being caused by federal immigration agents. Mayor Karen Bass has pushed back against these claims, asserting that the city's sanctuary policies are in place to protect vulnerable communities from undue harassment and profiling. In response to the lawsuit, Bass has not yet issued a formal statement, but her administration has previously characterized the federal actions as an attack on local governance and a violation of the rights of immigrants. The lawsuit further argues that the city's refusal to cooperate with federal immigration authorities has led to a surge in lawlessness, including incidents of rioting and vandalism. The complaint cites specific instances of unrest that have occurred since the sanctuary policies were enacted, claiming that the situation has escalated to the point where federal intervention was necessary. The administration's legal filing underscores a fundamental clash between federal and local authorities over immigration enforcement, with the Trump administration asserting that cities like Los Angeles are prioritizing the rights of undocumented immigrants over the safety of American citizens. As the legal battle unfolds, it is likely to become a focal point in the ongoing national debate over immigration policy and the role of local jurisdictions in enforcing federal laws. The outcome of this lawsuit could set a significant precedent for other sanctuary cities across the United States, potentially reshaping the landscape of immigration enforcement in the country. With the political climate becoming increasingly polarized, both sides of the debate are preparing for a protracted legal struggle that could have far-reaching implications for millions of undocumented immigrants and the communities they inhabit. As the Trump administration intensifies its crackdown on sanctuary policies, local leaders are rallying to defend their right to implement policies that they believe protect their constituents from federal overreach. The stakes are high, and the legal ramifications of this lawsuit could resonate well beyond the borders of Los Angeles, influencing immigration policy and local governance throughout the nation. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.